Okay guys, this is just a video like for the basic chords like on tientos, tangos, like for guitar. Okay, just to kind of start off I'm just going to cover the basic chords and the shapes, and then I'm just going to kind of go through the progressions. And in the next video, which I'm hoping to film tomorrow, which will be in a little bit of a better, higher quality, I'm going to go through the strumming with the fingers on the chords, or the raheo patterns. Okay, so starting off, okay, we have the D minor chord here, okay, and then we have G7, and then C, and then A, and then C with the G note on top, C7, F with a bar A, then we have A flat 9, which is a bar A using the first finger on the D and the G string. Okay, it sounds like that. Then we have G7, which is a bar A on the 3rd fret, G minor 7 flat 9, and the middle finger up on the other note. Okay, and then after that we have the B flat, variation of the B flat with just 3 fingers instead of the whole 4. Okay, D minor 7, C sus 7, and then F7. Okay, one that I kind of left out is D sus 7, which would be this guy. So you're moving from here to C sus 7. It's the same shape. So the progressions that we would have, okay, would be B flat, A, B flat, A, B flat, C sus 7, B flat, A. Okay, so if we're just having that with just a strumming pattern. After that we have D minor as a progression to G7, C to F7, to G minor 7, G minor 7 flat 9, and back to the A flat 9. Okay, so we have any other pattern after that again. Okay, then let's say we have D minor, or this D minor 7, this version, to C sus 7, to G7, and back to A. Okay, so, or you could have it this way. Which sounds a little bit nicer. So you have the final one, we have D minor, C sus 7, D sus 7 to G7, and then back to the B flat to A. Okay, so we have okay, so really slowly. That's kind of giving you just a little bit of an idea. The compass, or the rhythmic pattern of tangos and tientos is a 4/4 pattern. Usually you'd skip the first beat. With the guitars we'd usually tap it as a 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But usually with dancers, let's say they would miss the first beat, and then it would be 2, 3, and 4 usually anyway. Tientos is basically a slower version of tangos. The chord progressions would be quite the same. There's some kind of little variances for singing, which is probably the most important thing you kind of need to know. But just giving an example here, okay, so this would be tangos, played at speed. the same speed. It's just it's the same, how would you say, rhythmic pattern. It's just sped up. Tientos is slower, so you would have. So that just kind of gives you a kind of a contrast or a taste like between both playing styles. So I'm just uploading the chord diagrams tonight. Tomorrow, like, I'm going to go through like the rhythmic patterns with the right hand, the chord progressions, and also some of the melodies as well. Okay.